My name is Gauri and I'm back for another reading session. I'm going to read out something to you. Let's start. One of the most difficult things every human being wrestles with is their attitude. When you really get it, that you will thwart your own success, be miserable, and potentially make yourself sick unless you adopt a positive attitude. You will choose to start looking at life through optimistic eyes. Your attitude is one of your own creation, and it will be your biggest undoing or your most powerful tool. Your thoughts form your attitude, and so the first step in changing your attitude is to take responsibility for your own thoughts. When you can recognize and accept that it's the thoughts you are thinking that are making you feel miserable, then you will begin to change the kind of thoughts you think. If someone offered you the life of your dreams in exchange for you finding as many good things every day as you could, you would do it in a flash. Well, that is the way you receive a life of your dreams. If you look to outside circumstances in the world to form your attitude, you'll be in trouble. That would require every circumstance around you to be perfect all the time. So you could have a positive attitude, and you cannot control every circumstance. It would also require a lot of people to behave perfectly all the time, and you cannot control anyone but yourself. If you think about it, you will actually need all 7 billion of us to shape up into what you want so you can have an optimistic and positive attitude. You simply cannot look to outside circumstances to dictate what kind of attitude you will have. If you do, you will always find a circumstance or a person that will give you a reason to have negative attitude. In order to become your most powerful tool, your attitude must be dictated from within. You have the freedom to choose to be optimistic or pessimistic. You can peel off your old attitude like a suit of clothes and put on a brand spanking new attitude every single day. It's as simple as that. Because of the duality on earth, there are always going to be both positive and negative experiences. But if you consistently look for the good and maintain a positive attitude despite outside circumstances, you will triumph. And there are no better words to remember to help you maintain a positive attitude than Pete Carroll's mom's words. Something good is just about to happen. If you always know that something good is just about to happen, your optimism will never waver for long. A pessimistic attitude towards life means a miserable life. At some point in your life, you've no doubt encountered someone who is pessimistic about everything. And when you are with him or her, it sucks the energy and the joy out of you. Well, that's precisely what a pessimistic attitude does to you. On the other hand, I'm sure you've known someone who is always up and has a cheerful and bright attitude towards life. And when you are with him or her, you also feel fantastic and full of life. And that's what an optimistic attitude does to you. Show me one pessimistic person who is deliriously happy in every part of their life. It's not possible. Because even if they had everything they wanted, the glass would still look half empty to them. Just ask yourself whether you think blaming and complaining can transform a person's life into success and happiness. Do you think whining and criticizing can fulfill a person's dreams and give them everlasting happiness? Because we see people around us who blame and resent and whine and complain, we can get the mistaken impression that it's okay and won't harm us. But all of these negative emotions will pull you down and disempower you until you feel hopeless. None of those emotions can ever fill you with the happiness you want and deserve. None of those emotions will lead you to your dream. None of them are befitting of the hero that you are. A positive and optimistic attitude does not mean that you don't have occasional down days. You will have some down days, and it's not the occasional down days though. It's about how many of the 24,869 precious days of your life you're enjoying because of your positive and optimistic attitude. If you're feeling down, then do something that makes you feel really good and lifts your spirit. Think about the best thing you can do right in this moment that will make you feel as good as you can feel, and do it. The mind of a hero is predominantly positive mind. The attitude of a hero is consistently optimistic. Together, a positive mind and an optimistic attitude are an incredibly powerful tool to realize your dreams, because your thoughts and your attitude become your life. This was something really good. I think it was a really good read, and under any circumstance, we should try and be positive, have a happy outlook towards life, pep talk ourselves, try to be happy from within no matter what the circumstances outside are. And this does not say that we have to constantly be positive no matter what's happening around us. Sometimes we are all humans, and sometimes we are bound to be sad or unhappy, but then we have the power within us to be aware of our thoughts and change them immediately, channel them in the right way so that our life is happy and positive and we are able to achieve our dreams. And ultimately, every one of us wants to be happy, and our life is in our own hands, and our attitude is very, very important to lead a happy life. We should be positive, and we should look at, as much as we can, we should look at life positively as much as we can. I understand everybody has their down days, everybody has problems, but I think having a good attitude, having a positive attitude, reassuring yourself, uplifting yourself, positive talking yourself, and keeping good company also helps. So I wish you all a positive evening, a positive tomorrow, and a happy life. And I'll see you again in the next session.